This is another Hairvivi video. You guys already know it's about to be fire. Okay guys, so this unit came in the mail and I didn't even realize it was a Hairvivi unit because they have new packaging and it's so pretty. In any event, these are the items that are available for purchase on their website, and of course it also included the wig. First things up, let's go ahead and look at this hairline and this scalp. Okay, you know Hairvivi is known for their lace, their beautiful HD lace that they have, one of the best to do it. You already know their units come pre-bleached and they do come pre-plucked, and they do have the soft piano key for the adjustable elastic band that does make your unit fit a lot more comfortable than most units, because some of these units will give you a headache. We've all probably been there at least once. Now the unit did come with the hair a little frazzled from shipping, so I did go through and flat iron this unit just to straighten out all the kinks and get it ready for the install. As usual, I'm gonna apply some of my wax stick at the roots of the hair, and while I hot comb this, I'm kind of lifting the hair up because I don't want it pressing against the tracks in the hair and giving it that line. Some of you guys may know exactly what I'm talking about. When you flat iron the hair and it goes against the track, it kind of leaves a line in the hair, and I didn't want it to do that. I'm not really doing it right here because this hair is going to be covered with the hair on top, so it doesn't really matter, but I did do it along the parting area just to make sure it doesn't have that line. But really quickly, I do want to show you guys the parting space. As you can see, you're going to get about 6 inches of parting down the middle, and you're also going to get a good amount of parting on both sides. So this did come as a side part unit, but you can also wear it as a middle part. Actually came on the wrong side that I normally wear it from, but you can switch sides if you want. It's definitely flexible and adjustable for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this unit on. I am not going to do a ball cap. This is going to be a really quick install. I actually think how to do it glueless. But first, of course, guys, get into the hairline. You know, that's always like the highlight of my Hairvivi units is the hairline. I love how they do it. It's very rare that I get units that I don't even want to customize, and the Hairvivi units are definitely one of them. Now I will mention that my lighting, I did get a new ring light, and I have this like cover over my ring light, and I added so that my skin tone has more pigmentation as opposed to just having the white light, but I noticed it's giving some color to the unit. I just want you to know it is a natural black unit. It doesn't have those red highlights. That is really just coming from the ring light. But let's go ahead and look at this hairline after I straightened it with the hot comb. And as you can see, the hairline is definitely giving and doing what it's supposed to do, okay? And look, guys, I cut a piece of the lace and I left a piece on just to give you guys an idea of just how clear this lace is. Hairvivi, like I mentioned, they do have the best lace, in my opinion, the best lace on any units that I receive. I'm not gonna hold you. Their lace is really good. It's durable. It's not too fragile where it's going to rip, but it is very durable and it blends with all complexions. So I was going to go for a completely glueless install, but I really don't wear glueless units anymore just because I just like to have some type of security on my head, okay? So I'm just gonna glue down, well, not glue, I'm gonna use hairspray, so you know it's temporary. I'm just gonna spray down my sideburns just to keep that secured, because I need some type of security, you know. I just need some type of security, y'all. So I sprayed down the sideburns and I just left the rest of the unit as is. I didn't glue it down. And I'm just creating a little bit of sideburns on the side. I end up cutting it a little bit because that was like a little bit too long in my opinion. And then I'm just gonna go in with the hot comb just to clean that up. Now I'm gonna just go in and bump the bang part a little bit, but this bang was not cooperating with me at all. Now you guys know I do sell my units that I use in review for this video on my website, so that's why I did not cut this bang. But if I planned on keeping this wig, I would have cut the bang just a little bit. But I just want to let you guys see that it's still not glued on the top, and you see how nice the lace was blended in with the skin. So now that I showed y'all how it would look if it's glueless, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the hairspray on the rest of the hair, just because I personally just prefer to apply the hairspray when I do my units. Now it's just so easy, it really doesn't bother me. It's not that big of an extra step, and I just feel like it just makes sure my unit is secure and I don't have to worry about the wind blowing too much or anything and my unit just flying off my head. Now while I wait for that hairspray to dry, I'm just going through the unit again with the hot comb just to ensure that the top of the unit lays a little bit more flat. And I'm just showing you guys because before I used to wear the units and it would have like this little hump and it just was never like completely flat. And what you really just gotta do is go in and take your time and straighten the unit from the bottom to the top, and that will give you a more flat look that you're going for. So I did want it a little bumped in the front, but I wanted it flat going towards the back. And yeah, this is pretty much the look that I was going for. And this is the Hairvivi Bob unit. I really love the Hairvivi Bob. It has a great density and it's long enough for you to actually style it. You don't have to just wear it in a bob. You could put it up in a half up, half down if you want. You just have a lot more flexibility with styling this unit than the typical bob. And of course it comes with the quality of the hair that we have come to know and love from Hairvivi. I will say that this unit did have some flyaways on top, so you're going to definitely make sure that you're going to need to use your wax stick on top just to lay those down. And I'm just kind of parting it a little bit just to show you guys that if I want to flip this over to the other side, which I will because that's typically the side that I wear my parts on, you can, you know, the cut will go either which way, whether it's flipped to the left or the right. If you want to wear it to the back, you can do that as well. And as I mentioned, you can also do like a half up, half down look if you're going for that as well. So just take a second and admire this hairline, admire the parting space, get into what we come to know and love from Hairvivi. If you are looking for a bob unit, this is probably the one that you're going to want to get. So guys, I just had to run this back a little bit because the red color on the hair was really throwing me off. I just want you guys to really get a look of what this hair color actually looks like. And as you can see, I flipped the side part over to the other side, and as you can see, it wears well on both sides. If you wear in the middle, it's going to give that layered effect in the middle. So guys, as always, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'll have everything linked in the description box down below. And of course, I have a coupon code for you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and put that across the screen, and it'll also be linked in the description box down below along with the purchase link. But guys, before we get out of here, I'm going to need your help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And here's my outfit of the day. Shop this look and more at shopfabulous.com. Be sure and follow us on Instagram as well, where you get discounts on the units used in review on my channel, as well as all the trendy fashion. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, be sure and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.